This is the birth of modern power. Locked within these crystals is the potential to move nations. At the edges of the world, we are reshaping the landscape to harvest the elements of the future. Thousands of tons of rock are crushed daily, all to extract a handful of high-purity minerals: cobalt, lithium, graphite. These are the new foundations of our industrial civilization. Every grain must be perfectly uniform. In the world of high-capacity storage, there is no room for impurity. Carbon graphite, refined until it flows like liquid, will soon become the negative heart of the battery. Molten metals are cast into precise forms, ready to be transformed from raw earth into digital energy. In these silent halls, we store the ingredients that will eventually power millions of lives. Advanced sensors scan every atom. If a single sample fails, the entire chain is halted. The journey spans continents. Raw earth is moving toward its final transformation, the Gigafactory. Inside these vats, chemistry becomes engineering. A precise cocktail of minerals begins to bond. We are working at the molecular level, aligning ions to create the most efficient energy path possible. Every reaction is monitored. Every bubble is a data point in a complex chemical equation. Micron-thin copper foil is coated in a dark, conductive slurry. This is the anode in its infancy. Under immense pressure and heat, the minerals are fused to the metal, creating a permanent bond. On the cathode side, aluminum foil receives its coating, two halves of a powerful whole. Precision lasers slice the sheets with surgical accuracy, leaving edges cleaner than a scalpel could. The energy density of the future depends on the perfection of these microscopic edges. Robotic hands, faster than the eye can follow, begin the delicate process of stacking the layers. Between them lies the separator, a microscopic gatekeeper that prevents a total system failure. The jelly roll. Miles of foil are wound into a cylinder tight enough to hold immense pressure. Within this small spiral, we have packed enough surface area to power a home for hours. The roll is inserted into its steel armor. It is now a structural component, built to last a decade. A single pulse of light welds the terminal. The circuit is now ready to be closed. The electrolyte is injected, the lifeblood that allows ions to flow between the layers. A vacuum pulls out every trace of air. In a battery, a single bubble is a point of failure. Sealed and pressurized, the cell is now a contained universe of chemical potential. Every unit is branded with its own digital identity. We track its life from this second forward. They move in unison, an army of cells ready to be drafted into a larger mission. Final checks. If the internal resistance is even a fraction off, the cell is rejected. The formation phase. For the first time, these minerals are forced to hold an electric charge. We are waking the chemistry up, the first breath of energy into a static machine. Precision arms arrange the individuals into a collective. This is the module. Cooling systems are integrated. Managing heat is the key to unlocking true longevity. 50 points of contact tightened simultaneously. The structure must withstand extreme vibrations. The module settles into its final housing, a fortress designed to protect the energy within. High-voltage connections are snapped into place. The sleeping giant is now fully awake. Digital simulations confirm the flow. Energy is moving perfectly across the entire grid. One final journey begins, from the factory floor to the heart of the global energy shift. This is how we rebuild the world. One mineral, one cell, and one blueprint at a time.